welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I have my mini bee packed. This is in the Black Beauty print. We are going away for the weekend, so this is how I'm going to have my diaper bag when we're out and about shopping. It's not necessarily everything I'm going to take, because of course I got to take more diapers, more wipes, more everything. So in the front pocket, I just have a pack of the Baby Dove wipes. So this is for the hands, face, and bottom. So it's a multi-purpose one. I have nothing in the bottle pockets. And that's how the inside looks. I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible and easy to maneuver because as my daughter has been getting older, she doesn't need as much stuff. She is still in diapers. We're still working on potty training. So I have 4 diapers. I have the OXO wipes case. I like this one because it has a nice wide opening and it does not dry out the wipes. I've been surprised because I know some people complain about, you know, case wipes, but that actually works really great. I have a change pad. Then I just got these in the mail today and I absolutely love these. I normally do everything out or in the little sets, but I like these because they have the clear front so you can actually see what's in it. And then this is from Bumkins and I got the Little Mermaid one. I ordered these on Amazon. They also have a Cinderella one. So here it just has a few little things to keep you occupied. So some crayons, stickers, some little play packs, and then there's like a little mirror in there. The play packs fit a little like snug in there, so you kind of just have to overlap it and then you'll be able to close it. So, I mean, it's not snug, you just kind of have to like adjust it. There's that one. This is the small piece and it comes in this set of small, medium, and large. So in the medium, I just have some snacks. I have a juice, these little layered fruit bars, really good. These Fiber One bars and some cookies. Again, it's great because you can actually see what's in it, but it also has a cute pattern. And in the last one, I just have some extra clothes. I have a long sleeve, some pants, shorts, and a t-shirt. She doesn't really get dirty as much as when she was smaller, but I have this just in case there's an accident or she spills on herself, or you know, you never know what happens. And in the last pocket, I just have a wet bag in the Emerald in case, again, if there is an accident, I have that. So yeah, that is everything I have in my diaper bag. This is what I'm going to take for when we go to Reno for the weekend. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.